Once again, good morning to all the students and welcome you all. This is Sandeep Jaiswal and presenting you the topic of short run per unit cost or average cost. So in the previous video, in part 7, we discussed about the various aspect of average cost and behavior of average cost, and then we talked about average fixed cost and what are the different behavior of average fixed cost, how the curve of average fixed cost behaves. In this particular video, we'll talk about what is average variable cost and marginal cost. Average variable cost is basically it is in the same way, like just like in the average fixed cost, it is calculated by dividing TVC divided by total output. Means AFC is equal to TVC divided by Q, which means total output, and the shape of a VC curve is U-shaped, means it starts decreasing as the level of output increases for some time, and after some time it will be constant when we start increasing output, and after some time it start rising. So it is basically it goes through three phases: decreasing, then constant, then increasing. So we'll discuss in the video. Just so let us see in the screen, we'll discuss, and I hope you people would have understood it clearly. You'll understand it clearly. Thank you.
So here average variable cost, it is basically it refers to the per unit variable cost of production. It is calculated by dividing TVC by total output. In the same way as we discussed about the AFC, AFC was average fixed cost was TFC by output. In the same way, it is also AVC is equal to TVC by output. TVC means total variable cost. So this is TVC is total variable cost, Q is total quantity of output, and AVC is average variable cost. Now the average variable cost is also decline with the initial stage. In the initial, let us see in the graph. So this is the curve of AVC. We have taken output in units in x-axis and AVC in y-axis. So AVC initially falls. AVC initially falls with increase in output, and after reaching its minimum level, it starts rising. So that is why it is U-shaped curve. AVC curve is basically U-shaped curve. The average variable cost generally decline with the initial stage as the firm expand and approaches the optimum level of output. After the plant capacity output is reached, the average variable cost begin to rise very sharply. So usually the average variable cost curve declines initially, reaches its minimum point, and then goes on rising. The AVC and goes on rising. That is why it is U-shaped curve and goes on rising. So the U-shape basically indicating that the output increases. Initially, and average variable cost is decreasing. Then it remains constant for a while. So you hear for some time it is constant. It remains constant for some time, and again starts increasing. So these are the three phases of average variable cost. The first phase is this is basically a decreasing phase. This is decreasing phase, and this is basically constant phase, and then after reaching the minimum point, it starts increasing. It is increasing phase. These stages in the AVC curves basically correspond to the stage of increasing, constant, and decreasing average product. This is also called returns to variable factors, and it is basically underlying the law of variable proportion. If you have understood about the law of variable proportion, means when we by keeping one factor constant, when we increase level of output, by keeping one factor constant. When we increase the level of output, so the total product initially decreases, then after some time it will be constant, and after some time it starts increasing. So that is also in the same way ABC curve also behaves. Means it initially decreases, then it will be constant for some time, and then it start increasing, and that is why the shape of average variable cost is U shaped. So this is all about average variable cost. Now I hope you people would have understood the shape of ABC and AFC. Now the term is marginal cost. What is marginal cost? It is basically, it refers to addition to total cost when one more unit of output is produced. For example, here I've given him an example that if total cost of producing 2 units is rupees 200 and 3 units is rupees 240, then marginal cost of third unit is 240 minus 200, which is 40 rupees. So here 40 rupees is the marginal cost, which is the addition in total cost. 40 rupees is the addition in total cost when one more unit of output is produced. So this is very important concept for in terms of cost. Means you can calculate how much you can save the margin, save the cost when you start producing more and more. So the formula for marginal cost is MCN is equal to TCN minus TCN minus 1, where N is number of unit produced, MCN is marginal cost of nth unit, TCN is total cost of n unit, and TCN minus 1 is total cost of n minus 1 unit. Means this is if you want to calculate in the, just see in the example, if you want to calculate the marginal cost of third unit, then it is total cost of third unit minus total cost of second unit. If you want to calculate marginal cost for fourth unit, then it is total cost for fourth unit minus total cost of third unit. So in the same way you can calculate the marginal cost in every every unit increase in output. So this is all about marginal cost, and the shape of marginal cost is also U-shaped. It is just like average variable cost. So it also decreases initially, then reaches its minimum point, and then after some time it starts increasing. So the shape of marginal cost is also U-shaped, just like ABC curve, average variable cost curve. So here I hope you people would have understood. If you have any doubt, you can also call or WhatsApp me my number. Thank you.